In primetime news this evening, why Capri is recommending that children should have access to abortion without parental involvement. More calls for the closure of the jail block at the Riacobre Juvenile Correctional Center. And the court rules that former Education Minister Ruel Reid and co-accused should stand trial.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious.
And I'm Vashon Brown. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day, sports commentary, e-prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening, we are asking, what are your views on the abortion debate?
You can share those comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica and tweet at televisionjam.
Stay with us. The Primetime News package returns after this break.